Well, guys, it's about 1:30 in the morning. Don't ask me why I'm down here this late. I just fucking am. We did a chicken run today. Well, yesterday and the day before. I went up to Chambersburg, Pennsylvania on Friday, and then came back Saturday. It's now, 1:30 in the morning Sunday. And over 37 hours, I drove 25 of that. That pretty much sucked. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for this shit, right? So I picked this up, Facebook Marketplace deal. This nice shop cart the guy had it listed as. Had a Wilton vise. It's full of junk. Had this old Craftsman toolbox. I guess that V is supposed to be 70s-ish. And we got the sweet deal on the Harbor Freight Bandsaw here. We just got the virgin use in there. But we also got this drill press with that cart. I paid $150 for the cart, that toolbox, and this drill press, and all the shit that was in there. So we got this moved over here. We use this because we have a broken back. And we got it mounted to there. Hopefully that will hold it. And it actually, check this thing out, man. Hold on 1 second. So, fucking smooth, son. This thing is supposed to be late 40s, early 50s. Supposedly, cleaned up, they're worth some money. Even, beat up, they're supposed to be worth some money. But we're going to use it as a drill press. I don't know how much that affects value. No, it doesn't really matter since I'm going to, just use it. But here's what we were working on. We got this little green toolbox put together. Why did I buy this little green toolbox? It's probably not much use. Because it was the cheapest one I could find that had this top chest. All I wanted was a top chest. But this whole thing was like $110 on the old Amazon.com. And just chests are like $145, $150. So I said, fuck it. I bought the whole thing. I'll use a little roll cart for something. But we got that to put with this to hold the blades, the wax, and whatever else we need to hold with that. So we made this tonight. And that bandsaw cut's pretty good, man. This is what I have left of that 1/4-inch angle that I bought to work on that gooseneck. And this is this is what's left of the 20-foot stick. So I guess I better buy another 20-foot stick. But we're not doing this tonight. We're done tonight. But we just go weld this together. Make sure it's square, And we got some of these heavy-duty casters here. One of the reasons I went with these casters, not because the bandsaw is heavy, but because of the height. Because I wanted a little bit more height instead of bending over with that thing. And we got 2 more under there. So we go weld this thing together. We're going to weld the wheels on there. And then the toolbox, I'm going to set it crossways. So I have some 1/8-inch angle under there. I'm going to build a little cradle for that top box. And I was going to hang it off the front where the handle is. I was going to take the handle off. But I think I'm going to leave that there. Mostly because I wasn't sure about height. I didn't want the top of the toolbox to hit this whenever it came down. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the toolbox in the back end. The cart will stick back some, and then the toolbox should sit right here, and hopefully it'll work out perfect. If my very tired measurements were correct, hopefully they were. So that's all I know about that. That's what we got going on. We got to clean this shit up. I made myself a leak and everything. So that's it for the night. Stop by again later, maybe sometime, and see this done, maybe. Okay, bye.